Ever wondered if you can turn that American Express gift card gathering dust into instant cash out money? Spoiler alert, it's not a direct ad, but here's the workaround. First, open your Cash App and tap the profile icon in the upper right corner. This will open your account settings. Scroll down until you see Linked Banks or Linked Banks and Cards, and tap on it. This is where you manage your payment methods. Now, select Add Bank or Add Card, depending on what you see. Since your Amex gift card acts like a debit card, we're adding it as a card. This is crucial. Carefully enter the 15-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3 or 4-digit CVV code from the back of your Amex gift card. Be super precise. Also, enter the billing zip code associated with the gift card. This is often the zip code you provided when purchasing the card or the card issuer's zip code. Check the packaging. Cash App should now confirm your Amex gift card. However, here's the catch. While linked, you may not be able to directly add the gift card balance to your Cash App balance. You can typically only use it for direct payments. Many users have reported limitations. So instead of adding its balance, use it to pay someone directly within Cash App. When making a payment, select your Amex gift card as the funding source. If it doesn't work, it means Cash App isn't accepting it as a payment method. And there might be limits for certain gift cards due to security measures. If you run into problems, try contacting Cash App support or Amex support for further assistance, as limitations may apply.